Tornado on the ground in Rogers headed toward Avoca. We live in Rogers, Avoca area. We are in our storm shelter. Everybody keep your fingers crossed that we ride it out smoothly.
Resourceful Living Homestead. Here we go again. We got a tornado down in Rogers, Avoca. That's exactly where we live. Rogers and Avoca. Trying to spot the wall cloud right now. It's moving in. Kathy's already inside the storm shelter.
Trying to get a short to go through.
Okay. I got one rolling right now. Say hi.
I'm about done with tornadoes.
Yeah, that's all we need is another tornado after what we went through at Memorial Weekend. Well, they say it's on the ground right now in our town, but I'm trying to spot the wall cloud. I think I may have it. That may be it right there. It is. That is it. Where's the tail coming out of it? Just got a confirmation from my daughter. She said P Ridge has got one. And that wall cloud is just about where P Ridge is. Not sure, but I think that might be the fault right there. That white section. Nope.